Hi, do you actually clench your jaw and grind your teeth? Suffer with TMJ and a bit of tension on the jawline area? Well, today we're going to do 3 amazing acupressure points. We're also going to do a little face yoga exercise as well, and then finishing off with a little bit of lymphatic drainage. So we'll be releasing any tension within the jawline area. Hi, I'm Ali. I've been a facialist for the last 8 years, and I'm really passionate to help you on your skincare journey. So first things first, you want to start off with clean skin, and we're going to start with some nice acupressure points. Again, I'm using a little bit of facial oil. You don't have to, but because we're going to be doing a little bit of lymphatic work at the end as well, I do find that quite useful. And apart from that, if you're doing some round circular motions on the acupressure points, you don't want to be dragging at the skin and pulling. So just applying all along the jawline area and the temples, side of the ears and side of the neck down to the collarbone with the facial oil. So first things first, let's get to our first point. So we're going to just come here and we're going to place our hand just onto our jawline, and we're just going to clench our jaw slightly, and where the masseter muscle is here, right by the ear and sort of towards the end of the jawline, you should be able to feel that. And what we're going to do is we're just going to take our fingers and we're just gently going to press down and then go a bit deeper. Now you want to make sure that your jaw is nice and relaxed. So you're not clenching, you're not holding any tension. We're going to hold this for 30 seconds here. I'm using a few more fingers rather than 1 or 2 for a little bit more surface area, if you like. So again, nice relaxed jaw. And if you like, you can take a few deep belly breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth to also help with oxygen to the neck and the head area. And keep holding. And then you just want to massage nice and lightly one way. Nice circular motions. And this is where the facial oil or your face creams come in handy, because you've got a nice glide when you're massaging the jawline area here. And then massage the other way, releasing any tension. Obviously how we eat as well, and if we sleep sometimes on our side, if we're a side sleeper, the jaw can be slightly more misaligned, and if you're grinding your teeth again as well, can also add towards those sorts of jawline sort of achiness and problems. So this will really help. So now let's go on to the second acupressure point. So this is around the ear and the jawline area. So what we're going to do, we're just going to open our mouth slightly, and where the canal area of the ear is here, you should feel a slight indentation. So taking our fingers, just opening up slightly with the mouth, and you should feel a hollow. And when you do, that is your second acupressure point. So again, now we're just gently pressing here. You don't want to be too hard. And let's hold this again for 30 seconds. Making sure your shoulders are nice and relaxed, and that you have no tension in the face, and that your jaw is nice and relaxed as well. Again, we can take a couple of deep belly breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth while we're doing this 30-second point here. Again, gently holding and placing, not too heavy on this part. And then you just want to very lightly massage in a round circular motion. Just one way to begin with, nice and light. And then if you can go the other way. And gently release. So let's do the third acupressure point here. And this is where, again, I'm using more fingers for more surface area, and this is on the temple area. This also calms down the nervous system as well. So just very gently holding and placing, not too heavy-handed here, for 30 seconds. Again, releasing any tension, especially just releasing tension in the jaw, the mouth, and the face. And again, let's take a couple of deep belly breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth to help with blood flow, circulation, and oxygen to the area. And one last time. And then just very gently massage the temple area here, round circular motion one way. Nice and relaxed. And then the other. So now we're going to take our thumb, place it under our chin, fingers above here, and we're just gently gliding now, just under the jawline, all the way along to the masseter muscle, to the ear. And we have plenty of lymph nodes in this area, so moving everything along in an outwards motion. And one last time. And then again with our thumbs placed, we've now taken our fingers and we're now massaging a nice circular motion. Again, this is why if we placed the facial oil on, and again, a nice light to medium touch here, particularly around that masseter muscle, just massaging any tension out. Again, keeping everything, the jawline nice and relaxed. If you want to spend a bit more time on a certain area, if you feel a little bit more of a tightness, you can always go back to that area as well. And then lifting up and across. Working all along the jawline. And so let's just do a little exercise. This is very simple to do. So shoulders nice and relaxed, pretending there's almost like a piece of string on the top of your head, so you're lifting up nice and straight. Let's just make an O shape with our mouth, and then I'm taking my fingers, and whilst we're doing that, we're going to do a little bit of massage, again more on that masseter muscle. And the other way. And release. So now taking fingers, we're lifting up and across, nice light feather-light touch. And what we're doing here, we're also moving toxins and waste, which is very close to the surface of the skin. So nice relaxed face. And then from the temples all the way down to the front of the ear, again where we have plenty of lymph nodes, and then behind the ear. And then just massaging by the side of the ear here, the bottom of the ear, and just working our way along the neck as well, getting rid of any tight tension. And then when the fingers are touching, what we're going to do is one hand at a time, we're gliding down the big SCA muscle down to the collarbone. And on the other side. You can do these once or twice a day. Obviously, the more you do this, the more you can get really nice, sort of really help with the tension on the jawline, if you like, so it's nice and relaxed. And so I always like to finish off with an all-important lymphatic drainage release. So from the chin all the way down where our collarbone is, we've got some indentations just above and below. I always want to swallow when I do this. You can feel things literally have been moving. And then you just want to give those a few gentle presses. This will release all the toxins and waste into the body, ready for elimination. So I hope you found this useful. Please comment down below, tell me how you found this. Please come back to the video if you need to keep going through this, and you really will find that you will end up with a little more less tightness on the jawline, particularly if you're just being more mindful of, again, during the daytime, of not clenching your teeth, and in the evening. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider subscribing, liking and sharing, and I really look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.